In this video today, we hope to tell you about the best olive oil factory in the world. These mills and farms are located on a beautiful farm in Greece. What is used for? This is a species of olive tree with small nuts. These contain the best quality olive oil. An electric tool like this, and many other methods are used to break the olive's nuts. The best quality extra virgin olive oil can be made from olives that are usually harvested within the first 2 to 3 weeks. They do not use large olive nuts like this to make this oil. They make other products out of them. Olive oil is produced with the help of this machine. They say, the olive oil needs to be heated a bit to real taste.